All right, so let's talk about some breaking crypto news. This is not it's going to change your world in the next 5 minutes. This is more of a, you need to know this is happening kind of video from a Bitcoin news standpoint, a crypto news standpoint. That's what I'm going to cover for you. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. Hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button, and let's talk about what I've got for you. So before I get into telling you kind of what we're talking about as far as they are coming, let's take a look at the overall crypto market. Is up 0.75. Bitcoin's down about 0.3. It was actually up about a percentage point earlier, about an hour or so ago, and Ethereum was up about 3%. So it's giving back some gains. And you can see on the 24-hour, the H-bar Hedera drama continues to play out. That was where supposedly BlackRock made an announcement they were partnering with them. It's a whole thing. May or may not do a video on that, but there's quite a bit of stuff surrounding them right now. And you can see meme coins are starting to run. Bonk's up 29% plus. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. BlackRock's Bitcoin fund joins elite ETF club with 70 straight days of inflows. Okay, here's what it really means. Look, right here, BlackRock is now in the top 10 of longest daily inflow streaks for all U.S. exchange traded funds, ETFs. What does this mean? Okay, this is the they are coming scenario. Ultimately, you're going to look up one day and the ETF companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, they're going to own the vast majority of Bitcoin. Why? Because the majority of the population out there who want some type of crypto exposure in a positive way, they're probably not going to go buy it themselves. They're going to buy the BlackRock ETF or the Fidelity ETF or whatever it may do. And how does this work? Well, basically per the requirements, if with inflows or outflows, but inflows at the end of the trading day, the company like BlackRock has to buy that Bitcoin. Right now, BlackRock themselves own, I think, over 1%. I know it's 1%. It's over it now. 1% of the entire supply of Bitcoin, just in this short amount of time. It's coming. Bitcoin's going to continue to rise. The big companies are going to own it. Probably ought to get some of yourself, right? Okay, so they're coming. But this also really does talk about the fact that crypto's here to stay, and that a lot of people want to know more about it, and they want to be involved with it to show just by how successful these Bitcoin these ETF funds are. Okay, so they're coming and they're going to be here. And so, are you prepared? Have you bought your Bitcoin? Continue to buy your Bitcoin, all that kind of stuff. All right. So another thing I want to share with you is this chart. I've talked about this chart a lot. It's from Rect Capital over on X. Full credit, amazing chart. This shows the previous historical cycles. And so in the upper right-hand corner, I want to show you, see that pink box and that green box. See that blue line with the blue circle? That's where we're at right now. We're entering into that pink box, which is a reaccumulation consolidation phase. All right. So that pink box plus that green box is 546 days. Here's what you need to know. We're going to be in a consolidation going sideways factor here for a while for the next 5 months or so. Not going to be real exciting. You know, you remember that phrase, make money in May, go away, right? Summers, June and July are not real exciting in crypto. Been here, done that. I'm here every day. Believe me, it's not a lot of fun covering it because there's always not a lot to talk about. Okay. So just giving you that little insight, but it's September, October. Bitcoin's going to take off. That green box represents, look at that 2016, 2020 cycle. Look at those green boxes. Bitcoin went from 11,000 to north of 67,000 in that last green box. And that green box is for us, September, October. Just telling you, reminding you. Okay. All right. So before I let you go, links in the description to Margex. Check it out. Free to create an account. No KYC, no VPN. Check it out. You use my referral link below. You get a 20% deposit bonus, but you also get something really cool. Inside, they have this thing called copy trading. This is inside my account. You can see it. Copy trading. You go in there, and then you can actually copy proven traders on autopilot with one click. All you do is decide who you want to follow. You follow them. You put up the amount of money you want. So you make a deposit. You put that amount of money up, and you follow them, and you are and there you go. But look at this this trader, ROE 1,300%. Lil Trade ROE 2,091%. Yeah, pretty cool. Links in the description below. Check them out. It's Margex. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your time. Oh, on another note, this is my software, my trading indicator. It did give a buy alert right there for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we now are under a buy alert. We'll see how that continues to play out. If you're interested in picking up my software, links down there as well in the description. Check that out. 30-day, no questions asked, refund guarantee, all that kind of stuff. There's also links down there to some really cool pre-sales if you're interested in getting in on those. I'll see you. Have a good one.